Tesla released a statement in Germany about Giga Berlin's delay and CO2 emissions. The statement about Giga Berlin's delay says this: for every month of construction delay, CO2 emissions in Germany and Europe can be expected to be more than 1 megaton higher. Tesla right now is planning an almost completed gigafactory near Berlin, basically. Again, new 11,000 page application for factory in Grünheide show all these details. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and news from Giga Berlin, as well as like this video if you find it informative, please. Tagesspiegel reports that the guesswork of how big the battery factory in Giga Berlin Grünheide electric car plant will be has come to an end. The plans are now on display with some blackouts because there are some proprietary information. The Tesla Gigafactory in Grünheide, Giga Berlin, is considered to be the greatest threat to the German automotive industry. The US electric car manufacturer Tesla, led by Elon Musk, has now rescheduled the configuration of the almost finished factory, in which 500,000 vehicles per year will roll off the assembly line and a better cell factory will be expanded, battery cell factory. The new proposal includes more than 11,000 pages, and that is in town halls of the Oder-Spree region since Friday or online for viewing. It is the third interpretation. The project started in November 2019, Giga Berlin project. According to the application, Tesla is determined to start production in 2021. It was supposed to start in June 2021, but now it's going to be a little bit delayed. Tesla says for every month of construction delay, it can be assumed that CO2 emissions in Germany and Europe will be more than a megaton higher, says a document. I don't know how much a megaton is, but that's the number. An overview of the most important changes in the Gigafactory and previously unknown details. I will discuss it with you and in my upcoming reports, friends. So let's talk about the battery cell production. The largest battery factory in the world, as Elon Musk once announced for Giga Berlin, will not be the largest, at least initially, but it will be the largest in Europe with the capacity of 50 gigawatt hour, which is stated for the first time, which is a number of cells of 500 million cells per year as stated in the application. Now, when the gigawatt hour goes up, it may become the largest battery factory in the world for electric vehicle batteries. Now, 500,000, that is enough to equip 500,000 cars produced here at Giga Berlin, and even more. For comparison, the Volkswagen Group is planning a new battery cell factory in Salzgitter, which will only reach capacity of 40 gigawatt hour in a few years, not necessarily now. Tesla will manufacture a new generation of battery cells using a dry electrode process, a type of coated film that will then be wound into a cell. All of this is secret. Information on process, chain, and substances are partially blocked out in the publicly available documents, as well as on the cost. I have another report in which I go a little bit more details on this. Tesla fears industrial espionage. The battery factory holds, which has been puzzled over a lot, is already under construction, applied for and approved as a warehouse. Tesla will apply for a conversion. Tesla also wants to build the press shop larger, in which the main bodies are produced of the vehicles. To this end, a new section of the building is to be added to the existing production hall in the northern part of Giga Berlin. It is to be supported with almost 1,200 underground piles in the Brandenburg's sandy soil. In addition, pits that reach into the groundwater are also planned. This is likely to meet with criticism from a local Tesla critical citizens initiative, because this plant, Tesla's battery plant, is being built in a water protection area. I guess the entire Giga Berlin is in the water protection area. New, particularly large presses from the Italian company Hydra will probably be used in the press shop. Tesla wants to use them to manufacture bodies from a particularly small number of individual parts, thus saving material and increasing the rigidity of the bodies. Tesla has also responded to concerns about rainwater infiltration. Rainwater that falls on the factory roof or other sealed surfaces, for example, should no longer be seeped into the ground in one but in four different places. According to industry insiders, Tesla wants to ensure that enough rainwater gets into the groundwater in the drinking water protection area, which I just mentioned. In addition, the rise of deeper, salty groundwater should be avoided if Tesla goes this way. Now, let me talk about the Giga Berlin car factory, which is going to be basically reconfigured. That's why above I said that the almost nearly completed factory will be reconfigured again. Now, Tesla Giga Berlin car factory, Tesla's European Gigafactory, is about 80% ready right now. That's said Brandenburg Minister for Economic Affairs Jörg Steinbach from the SPD party recently. Now, a lot is going to change again because there is also a plastic production in which mirrors and bumper parts are made, for example. The vertical range of manufacture and thus the added value will be increased. That's what they said. Another new feature is that the press shop is being expanded, for which in addition to the 550 for the previous foundation, another 1,180 concrete piles have to be driven into the ground to ensure stability. The body-in-white production is streamlined from 2 production lines to 1 with the same output of 10,000 pieces per week. The previously planned test truck with jogging trucks to detect rattling noises is no longer applicable. Instead, the Tesla made in Grünheide quality check will be carried out hydraulically. More delivery vehicles will roll into Grünheide. Imagine the number, 1,515 trucks a day. That's what I also discussed in my previous report about Tesla Giga Berlin. Now, no higher water consumption. This is good news for the locals and for the environmental organizations in the area. The combined car and battery factory manages with the previously planned maximum of 1.44 million cubic meters of water per year for the car plant alone, the delivery of which has been contractually guaranteed by the Strausberg-Erkner Water Association, called WSE. For rainwater, the concept no longer relies on central, but rather decentralized infiltration. And I would like to conclude this report talking about the timetable. The application can be read for 1 month, and objections from the citizens and different environmental agencies can be submitted in the State Environment Agency for a further month. Last time it was 416. After all, there was a showdown by critics, citizens groups, and the environmental associations with Tesla in Town Hall of Erkner. As a precaution, the State Environment Agency has set a new hearing for September 13th in Erkner. It is said that whether this will take place is still open. Tesla can therefore not expect a main permit for the Gigafactory before October. However, on the basis of prior permits, Tesla can continue to build and adjust machines. However, environmental associations are currently trying to enforce a construction freeze on Giga Berlin with an urgent action. Well, friends, let me know what your thoughts are about these developments. I'm trying to do these reports also sometimes by directly speaking with you. I don't have any graphics. I know graphics are good. They help to visualize things, but editing takes a lot of time and I want to just give you good content. Please let me know if this format is acceptable, if you think we can grow together with this. In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. I will try to bring you more Gigafactory Berlin news for basically daily Giga Berlin news. Today, I have 2 more Giga Berlin related stories coming to our channel. So please subscribe to keep your finger on the pulse of the developments. And also, I would greatly appreciate if you would give us thumbs up and share your comments and thoughts, and maybe I can do another reports based on that. Well, have a great day. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you, and I'll see you soon in our next report.